大家好，我是阿勇。
大家好，我是爆米香的阿华。
欢迎收看英台 Express，
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐礼拜我会拣一条英语新闻给阿华翻译，
And I will pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English. 英国咱英台 Express 咧经新闻，拢嘛是经迄个愈新愈好的。不过咱今仔日较无共哦，咱要来看一条101当前的新闻。这是台南教会报1910年11月报出来的白话字写的台语新闻哦，我一字都无甲改。这参咱今仔日惯势的台语有一点点仔无共。
好，咱来听看麦。
近来，阮有记到消息，在讲中国的革命党势面不激烈。
We have recently received news of increasingly violent activities of the Chinese Revolutionary Party.
伫9月初，因的兵有拍汉口甲武昌。
In early September, the Revolutionary Army attacked Hankow and Buchong.
官兵拢退走，现时因在关辖。
The Qing army retreated, and now the revolutionaries have taken control.
照因讲是要除满人、立汉人，称因的国号做吴国。
Their goal is to remove the Manchu and establish a Han state, the state of Ng.
因旨意要保外国人，也无要搅扰咱的圣教。
They seek to protect foreigners and have no qualm with we Christians.
因的头人号做李元洪，
Their leader is called Lei Guanhong.
人学到伊真牛，有去外国学逐项的法度。
People praise him highly that he was educated abroad and is learned in many ways.
别所在也有摇动。
There has also been conflict in other areas.
伫四川也有闹动过，省城互因围咧。
They also moved on Sichuan and have surrounded the provincial capital.
安庆府甲南京也互因占去。
They've also occupied Anqing and Nanking.
一项真厉害，就是官兵甲舰船有搬过去归因。
Remarkably, a number of Qing soldiers and ships have even defected to the Revolutionary Army.
咱毋知会安怎样结局，总是照安尼看，势面是较危险。
We don't know how this will end, but these types of occurrences are always fraught with danger. 足赞的啊！101当前的新闻，其实我差不多拢听有呢。白话字好处就是伫遮嘛
咱像是食酒愈陈年的愈芳吼。各位观众朋友，你感觉安怎？110当前的台语听起来有顺无？有水无？大家拄则听到迄个中国革命党，尾后伊就会变做中国国民党，变做今仔日大家所熟悉的中华民国。所以这条新闻其实就是110当前中华民国伫要出事进前迄一年因咧革命的消息。台湾人是安尼，差不多代志经过1、2礼拜了后。看报纸才知的，完全无参加到迄场动乱。台湾人可能是安尼，原来隔壁的中国即马咧起反，即马咧起叛哦。
所以这那就是甲台湾无啥物地带嘛。
对，所以我个人的感觉，台湾人咧过双十节是一个真奇怪的概念。
好时间又转来到现今后礼拜就是万圣节万圣节。咱会想到啥物 ？Ghosts and goblins 毋过今年爱特别注意 werewolves。
龙人是安怎？
龙人是因为今年万圣节拄好嘛是
月圆，龙人拢会掠光出来作怪哦。
The next full moon won't be the biggest or brightest of 2020.
刷落来，即摆月圆，毋是2020年上大上光的月圆，
But it could be the spookiest.
毋过反说是上邪气的。
That's because on October 31st, we will see the first full moon to fall on Halloween since 2001.
因为10月31即天是2001年到呾咱头一摆看到万圣节月圆。
And we won't see another one until 2039.
后摆爱等到2039年。
It's also called a blue moon, meaning it will be the second full moon of the month.
而且即摆嘛是青月哦，毋是讲月娘正式翻青，意思讲迄是即个月第2摆的月圆啦。
In case you can't get enough of this naming the moon stuff,
安尼甲月娘号名的，你若听也袂够开。
the first full moon this month on October 1st was called a harvest moon.
月初迄摆月圆，号做挂麦仔月。
Meaning the full moon nearest to the autumnal equinox.
意思讲上活秋分的迄个月圆啦。
And that means the Halloween full moon will also be a hunter's moon.
这嘛代表万圣节迄摆月圆会变做腊户月，
which is the first full moon after a harvest moon.
就是挂麦仔月搁过迄个月圆。
所以咱延语这个月圆足侪名号吼。
那像我较毋捌听到台湾人甲月圆号遮侪无共款的名。
你敢无？因为阮有时会用这个月圆的名号叫做俗语，敢咪讲俗语？
我较早读册时，我就捌背着安尼一句话讲叫做 once in a blue moon， 就是真罕得发生的意思。
对 ，once in a blue moon， 因为 blue moon 这个青月圆，
青月娘、青月圆，
青月娘，就是较罕得发现的。
就是一个月要有2摆的月圆。一个爱注意的就是啥？阮今仔日翻译一直讲月圆。若较无惯势讲的朋友，可能伊直接听到 full moon， 伊会想讲即个物件台语是毋是叫做满月？满月毋是即个意思，台语讲的满月是一个红婴仔出世到满一个月的时间，叫做满月。毋过你若是共款，即2字你甲照念伊的文言音，或者满月，安尼又搁会用哩哦。安尼就共款是月圆的意思。
月圆满月，
这共一个意思。满月是另外一个意思。咱拄则听到迄个 harvest moon， 我是安怎无甲伊翻译做收成月？我感觉听起来了啊，伤文言啊。因为咱着爱先了解西方的文化，一般因是伫秋天挂麦挂的，大家较有闲，就来去拍蜡、掠山米安尼。所以咱有挂稻仔饭，我就想讲安尼，即个 harvest moon 甲伊翻译做挂麦仔月，应该是袂歹啦。
你若感觉英台 Express 对你有帮助
？Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若是有任何你想要看到阮两个互相翻译的新闻
，Feel free to drop us a line down there in the comments.
See you next time.
再会。Actually, yeah, we should do something like that, right? For the.
See you next time.